Want to make your Word documents look more professional but don't know how to add a text box in Microsoft Word? In just 2 minutes, I will show you how to insert, move, resize, and customize text box like a pro. So, friend, first thing first, here we are going to click on this insert tab, which is available on the top. Here you find out the text section which is available over here, and then you will see this text box option. Okay, then you simply click on it, and here you will get different styles are available for the text box. Okay, you can select anyone which you want. I want this one. This is very simple and easy, that's why I'm going to select this one, and I got this text box option. Okay, so here we can put some simple and easy text over here. So hello friends, today we are going to learn about text box. Okay, friend, here you can see this is text box, and it has very advanced features. You can move this text from one place to another place very easily. Okay, if you add simple text you can't move it, but whenever you make this text box then you can easily do that. And here you will also formatting the text, like you can do bold, you can change the font style which you want. Okay, also you can highlight, you can change font colors, and everything you can do over here. Okay, text formatting very easily you can do that. Friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can add text box in your Word document. And friend, if this video helped you, then please click on like button and comment me below what things you like into this video. And if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.